Business Management, Ismania, from Ismania. And I started working when I was young because I want to support my family financially. He is my mother who had been always my inspiration, my sisters who had been always with me to be help me to be the best version of myself. And my mother is very spiritual. I draw really a great strength, being spiritual, and from Gita lessons, what she is teaching me since from childhood. I was from a middle class family. I do really miss my father who used to celebrate a lot small achievements of mine. He is my brother, Venkat Raju Basa. I'm from Basa family. He is also very encouraging, for all this good I'm doing. So, currently I'm living in London with my family. I have two boys, my husband and me and my two boys. My in-laws are from Mumbai, Pune. So I worked in almost all the cities in India. I'm a corporate woman. I was very studious when I was like you all. I was topper once in graduation and twice in my school topper and college topper. Then I started my work and everything. I'm balancing my work and everything. One thing I have to say, be roots, respect your family and listen to your parents and sisters whomsoever they are because they give really genuine feedback, tips and everything. We may not like but we really get benefit out of it. And I think I totally forgot to tell one thing. My husband, he's actually really helped me at every step throughout this journey. I think without my kids and my kids are my ultimate strength and they are my cheerleaders. Without my husband, my kids, I would have not come so far. So there is a lot of extended family of Basa and all my friends and everyone. I feel this is the win for all of us from Telangana for all Telangana women. Someone said in the other college when we want to do something, I think you all are, so you have to work very hard. Someone said in other college, burn like a sun, to be bright like a sun, right? Shine like a sun. So it's very true because you have to go through a lot of challenges, difficulties, but that's how you learn and you evolve and the success comes to you. You don't need to worry. If you put 100%, success comes to you. Okay? So don't do anything expecting the success. Do the things to learn something. And finally, respect who all are helping you because it's very important. No one helps us. The world in Telangana is, we are in our comfort zone in Telangana. I have been to many cities, I've been out of this country. There are too many challenges. You have to be very tough and strong woman. Okay? You all get my words? English law okay na? All are okay with that. You all are bright students, so I'm continuing with my speech in English. That's totally fine, ma. Yeah. About my pageant journey, this is something different what I'm doing from my routine life. I was called for auditions for the international platforms, worldwide and UK international platform, and parallelly with this for Telangana. So why I was so much interested for Telangana platform is, I know this pageant journey is not just for the glamour. Definitely, glamour, beauty is how we present ourselves. From inside, how beautiful we are. But there is other side of it is social rights, women empowerment, elderly care, underprivileged, support the underprivileged children, etc. So I think if I take part in this and if I give my participation in case if I win or not, I can do a small bit for our Telangana women empowerment for you all. Okay? So that was the main motive. I just wanted to do something for my roots, something for this Telangana community. That was a strong will. So which landed me over here. So I took part of participation in that without any expectation of success or failure. So today, as I become one of the winner of that platform, I'm looking forward to empower all you women. You have to chase your dreams. You have to take care of your family. You have to take care of yourself also. And someone asked me, what is beauty? Beauty is a healthy lifestyle you are leading. Are you doing exercise? Are you taking care of yourself? You have to go and do exercise. Go out, do exercise. It gives a lot of stamina to you. You have to do everything what you feel for you. So if you are strong, I believe if woman in the family is strong, she can make the whole family strong. She can do lot of things for the family. But further, you yourself should be very strong and very much empowered and confident, and first fulfill your dreams and also fulfill the dreams of your family and for the society. So that is a short speech from my side, but I'm happy to take any questions you have for me. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. My routine is just as you all are okay, I'm a woman, and first I'm a wife and I'm a mother. Okay, for every woman, a motherhood, I cherish my motherhood and family time and my mom, my sisters. So I take care of my husband, their needs. So how I start my days, I wake up in the morning and I have some liquid juices. As I live in London, I think I covered right. I'm in London, not in India. So we do all the work for ourselves. So I make tea for my husband and lunch for my kids. I get ready there for school, and I try to do some jogging or yoga for myself. We have to take care of ourselves to be active the whole day. And I have a habit of eating light breakfast. I have light breakfast, with fruits, dry fruits, or some oats or something. So I make in the morning the lunch and breakfast for my kids, for my husband, everyone. After lunch, I start my work. If I don't work, I want to do a lot, but I work, so my work starts, my meeting starts, and everything. And all the meetings, work gets over in the lunch time. I take out some time, I cook some food, and in the evening when I get time, I see that's one thing is important. We are very busy with our work, but are we giving a good time to our family, to our kids, which is very important. So I ensure that in the evening after I finish my office work, I ensure I call my mother every day. She deserves that. She has given me this life. She taught me a lot of things. At least I have to give 5 minutes to my mother or my sisters if possible to understand how to know what are the whereabouts of them. And in the evening when kids come back, I ensure they are getting right snacks and everything. And I want to spend 1 hour completely with my family, with my kids, with my husband, tea time, snacks and everything. And after that I cook food and everything. But on weekends I try to explore. I like traveling. I like to do multi-faceted things. I'm also learning. I'm very fond of dance, and I do dance since from my childhood. Performances, etc. So I'm learning. I have a lot of attraction towards classical theme of India, and I'm learning music and Kathak. So I spend some time in those classes. I go to gym. I go for swimming. I take my kids with me, my family with me, so that my kids also get benefit of the health and everything, not to get bogged up with all the gadgets. So weekends we do spend going to the park so that they can play football and everything. And further, there are Indian communities in UK. I do participate in their events to support the fundraising for the Indian communities to help the social causes. And I do some kind of small donations over there for the charity and everything, for small kids and everything. That's since ages I'm doing. So I have that always a soft corner for some underprivileged. If I have 10 rupees, I have to give 1 rupee. So I keep doing that always. And this is the platform actually was the regional director of this platform is Mamta Trivedi. She is ambassador of Akshay Patra Foundation and also Seva, which do serve for underprivileged kids, and they do a lot of community activities. So I'm thinking to focus something for community for our Nizamabad, Telangana. Further doing for Hyderabad also, means for overall Telangana, whatever it is possible. So that's my bit glimpse of my routine. I do watch movies, Netflix with my kids. I do play Ludo and caroms, chess. My sons just beat me like this in this chess. They are very good on that and gadget freaks. Yeah, I think it's very important to give the time to your family and spend some time and play games with kids so that you know what they are doing, what their wishes, what they want to do. And you know, if you are a sister, help your brothers, help your mother in everything what they are doing. And my kids also do little bit cooking with me. And sometimes they cook for me something. Even my husband helps with me. So it's kind of like together we family. Family harmony is very important, and parallelly we have to chase and fulfill our dreams. So we should not suppress, we should not give everything for the family, equally balance everything. Okay, that's a short brief about.
What inspired you to get into this field?
So I think that's a good question. So I have a question for you all. Do you all like to look beautiful?
Yes.
Yes? So women likes to look beautiful, women like to dress up, women like jewelry. That's by default, right? And you believe that every one of you all are beautiful? Yes, confidently you are, you know. You just need the platform to showcase your potential. That's it, what I say. Beauty is not completely, are you very fair, are you very tall, how you look. It's not that. It's how you present yourself, how you carry yourself, how you talk to the people, how you think about the people, how you care your parents, how you think about yourself, how you treat your society, how you treat your siblings. All this is the beauty, When you are beautiful in all these things, and one thing, you should have really a strict discipline, very hard-working nature, if you want to be really successful and shine out bright, something to want to become unique. So it's not a very smooth path. So if you are not ready to work hard, then success is in your hands. Okay. What inspired me in pageant journey is one thing is. Everyone, we think when we look into pageantry, we think, oh, a lot of beautiful girls doing the ramp walk and dressing up nice and everything. That's what our outlook is, right? So it was initially the same thing for me. So when I went into this journey, when I researched about this journey, I understood there is a lot more than what we think. It's like, these pageantries look actually the role models. And what your personalities are, what you can do for the society, social rise. Actually, that inspired me a lot. And when I came to know there is a platform for Telangana to do this, that actually inspired me. As I said, my mother is my inspiration. I love my mother. I wanted to do for my homeland also. I wanted to do for homeland, for motherland, something, give back something for the community. That was true inspiration for me. I'm not only looking for glamour, I'm really looking forward to do something for all you beautiful women in terms of empowerment, push you hard to become really beautiful women inside out, achieve something, educationally become more strong, and independently take decisions, also financially become independent, which is very important. Okay, thank you.